Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare Jobber and Housecall Pro. Both of these platforms help you manage your field service operations, but they do it in very different ways and are built for different types of businesses. In this video, I'll compare their features, pricing, user interface, support, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform is the right choice for your business. So, let's get started. Alright, let's start with Jobber. Jobber is a tool made for home service businesses like landscapers, cleaners, HVAC companies, plumbers, and more. It helps business owners manage their daily tasks all in one place. With Jobber, you can schedule jobs, dispatch teams, send invoices, and communicate with customers easily. It's super user-friendly and has features designed to make everyday tasks simpler. Small to mid-sized businesses love Jobber because it helps them book appointments, track job progress, and even handle payments. Plus, with mobile apps for iOS and Android, workers in the field can update job statuses, collect customer signatures, and stay in touch with the office in real time. Now, let's talk about Housecall Pro. This is another popular platform for home service businesses, especially in trades like plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and pest control. Housecall Pro focuses on making field operations simple. It handles everything from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing, payment processing, and even customer relationship management. What sets Housecall Pro apart is its mobile-first approach. The app is easy to use, so technicians in the field can access the info they need and update the office in real time. Lots of businesses love the way Housecall Pro keeps communication smooth and efficient. It also integrates with payment processors and marketing tools, so you can manage your operations while improving customer engagement. Okay, now let's take a look at the UI of both platforms. Jobber has a simple, clean design that focuses on getting things done without distractions. The dashboard is easy to navigate and the menu options are clearly labeled. You can easily access all of your job and client information from one place, making it easy to stay organized. On the other hand, Housecall Pro has a more polished and visually eye-catching design, built with a mobile-first approach. Its dashboard gives you a full snapshot of your business, with real-time updates on jobs, customer interactions, and revenue. The layout is modern and well organized, making it easy to navigate through scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's take a closer look at their features. Jobber is designed to help manage everything about your field business in one place. One of its best features is the scheduling and dispatching tool. It makes it super easy to assign jobs to your team based on their availability and location. This helps cut down on wasted time and keeps your team running efficiently. On top of that, Jobber has built-in invoicing and payment tools. You can quickly create professional invoices and process payments right after a job is done. It also has a great customer management system where you can track customer details, service history, and even set up recurring appointments. This is super handy for building long-term relationships with your clients. Jobber also gives you powerful reporting tools. You can see key stats like revenue, how productive your technicians are, and how quickly jobs are getting done. These insights help you make smarter decisions to improve your business. That said, while Jobber has a lot of features, setting up workflows and integrations might take a bit of extra effort if your business has very specific needs. But once everything's set up, it's a solid tool to keep things running smoothly. On the other hand, Housecall Pro is all about making field service management easier with an all-in-one tool. One of its standout features is its super simple job scheduling and dispatch system. It's built for real-time updates and works great on mobile. You can assign jobs based on who's available, and with GPS integration, it helps plan the best routes to save time on travel. This means your team can work more efficiently. But that's not all. Housecall Pro also makes invoicing and payments super easy. You can create estimates, send invoices, and even accept payments right from the app. On top of that, it keeps your customers happy with automated appointment reminders, follow-ups, and even feedback requests. It's a great way to improve customer satisfaction and keep them coming back. The reporting tools are another big plus. They give you insights into things like how profitable each job is, your revenue trends, and how well your team is performing. And if you're already using accounting or CRM systems, Housecall Pro integrates with those too, so all of your data stays connected. Next up, let's compare the pricing. Jobber has 3 plans to fit different stages of service-based businesses: Core, Connect, and grow. The core plan is perfect for professional home service businesses, focusing on the basics to help build your reputation. It costs $39 per month or $28 per month for 3 months with an annual plan. The Connect plan, which is the most popular plan, costs $119 per month or $84 per month for 3 months with an annual plan. It's packed with automations and integrations to save time on admin work and leave great impression with customers. Finally, the Grow plan costs $199 per month or $140 per month for 3 months if you go in an annual plan. It's ideal for businesses looking to land bigger jobs and stay on top of their schedule. HouseCall Pro has 3 pricing plans: Basic, Essential, and Max. The basic plan costs $79 per month and is perfect if you're a single user looking to streamline your business. The Essentials plan is $189 per month and comes with advanced tools to help you simplify and grow. It's great for teams of 1 to 5 users. Finally, the Max plan is designed for bigger, growing businesses. For this one, you'll need to contact HouseCall Pro for custom pricing. All plans include helpful features like low credit card rates starting at 2.59%, drag and drop scheduling, paperless invoicing, and QuickBooks integration. The Max plan adds even more tools like advanced reporting and open API access to take your business to the next level. Customer support is super important when choosing a field service management platform. Jobber offers a lot of support resources. They have a big help center with articles, video tutorials, and step-by-step guides for everything from setup to advanced features. You can reach their team through email, phone, or live chat, and many users say their support team is quick and helpful. Plus, they host webinars and training sessions to make sure you know how to use the platform effectively. This kind of support is really useful for small and mid-sized businesses that might not have a tech team and need fast, reliable help. HouseCall Pro, on the other hand, makes support easy to access, especially for busy field service companies. They also have a detailed online help center with FAQs, video tutorials, and guides covering topics like scheduling, dispatch, invoicing, and payments. You can get live chat or phone support when you need it, and many users like their personalized approach. For example, larger customers often get a dedicated account manager and regular check-ins to ensure everything's working smoothly. However, HouseCall Pro might require you to spend a bit more time engaging with their resources to fully take advantage of them. So, which platform should you choose? Well, it really comes down to your business size, how complex your operations are, and what you need for managing your field services. If you're running a small to mid-sized service company and want something simple, easy to use, and packed with solid tools like scheduling, invoicing, and customer management at a good price, Jobber might be the way to go. It's user-friendly, covers all the basics, and doesn't take too much time to learn. On the other hand, if you're managing a bigger operation or a multi-location business with more advanced needs like automation, real-time mobile updates, or lots of integrations with other systems, HouseCall Pro could be a better fit. It's loaded with features, offers great support, and gives you detailed reports to help improve your operations, especially if you're dealing with high volumes. At the end of the day, it's all about what works best for your business size, needs, and budget. That's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between Jobber and HouseCall Pro and given you a clear picture of which platform might be the best fit for your field service business. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your experiences or questions you might have about these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.